If you're looking for stylish interior flooring, it can be used in various indoor and outdoor spaces, and it enhances the value of the space with a luxurious mood. A transparent binder with clean transparency and excellent durability that does not easily discolor even under ultraviolet rays. This is Samhwa Paint's Color Deco Aspartic Binder. When applied with pea gravel, it vividly brings out the original color and texture. It adds a refined touch to an ordinary space. Complete your desired atmosphere with a rich color lineup. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, it can be applied to concrete, cement, and more. It can be applied to indoor and outdoor spaces such as cafes and restaurants. High transparency allows for a clean and refined mood. As a non-yellowing binder, it can maintain its clean appearance for a long time. With excellent abrasion and impact resistance, it maintains long-term stability and aesthetic value. First, clean the floor by removing dust and contaminants, then dry it thoroughly. Next, apply Epocoat primer on top to improve adhesion. First, pour part B into part A and mix thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes. Apply it meticulously using a brush and a roller. Spread it evenly over the entire floor and let it dry completely. Now it's time to use the Color Deco Aspartic Binder. Mix part A and part B thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour the Color Deco Aspartic Binder onto the prepared pea gravel and mix it evenly. Spread the mixed material evenly. Use a trowel to spread it out and smooth it flat. Once it's sufficiently dry, the pea gravel interior is complete. Easy application and long-lasting transparency add depth to the space. Create a sophisticated feel with Color Deco Aspartic Binder.